Shawty, swing my way.
Yes, queen.
Okay. All right, y'all, I will be starting off with clean hair. I will be separating my hair in 4 different sections: ear to ear across the back of my head, ear to ear across the top of my head, and then I will be going down the middle of my head, creating 4 different sections. Does anybody else have straight hair that just grows out their head? It just comes out straight. I'm trying to focus on the hair and not me. It just grows out straight. I don't know if that's the Native American in me or what, but it's very annoying. Like, it's very annoying. What's wrong? I'm not here. I'm fine right here. You need some? You okay? You want me to come with them? Okay, let me finish this and I'll come back upstairs. You okay? Okay, so here are the 4 sections I was talking about. The one going across the back of my head, the middle of my head, and the 2 in the front. Now, with the 2 sections in the back, I'm going to pre-part those sections and cornrow them. And then I'm going to go through each cornrow and part it for the knotless braids. The reason I separated my hair in 2 sections like that is because the bottom section is like very curly, fine, thin for me, where the first top section is very, very thick and coarse. So it's harder for me to work with that top section than it is the bottom. But my braid pattern, when I started at the bottom, was 4, 5, 6. And for every braid, I would skip every other braid and then add the curly hair because I didn't want it too full in the back. I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank you, and I say. Here you can see where I skipped over every other braid to add the curly hair, and for each braid I added like 2 to 3 strands of the curly hair. Once I finished with each row, I would just separate the curly hair, comb through it to get any knocks and kinks out. I would add a little bit of gel, I add some mousse, and then I spread my got to be to keep the curls holding. What, 5 days later, here I am with my knotless braids done? Yeah. So now I'm trying to pre-part my cornrows in front of my head for the Fulani part. Here, I use my real hair to keep it flat and neat. I actually haven't like cornrowed my hair or braided it to the scalp in so long. Only time I braid my hair to the scalp is if I'm finna put on some weave. Other than that, the parting, y'all, oh my God. Trying to hold the mirror and position my arms and my hands, your girl was struggling. But I am a perfectionist when it comes to my parts. So I wanted them to, be very neat and well put together. Now here I am doing a crisscross on each side. And then after this, trying to figure out the style in the front. But y'all can kind of watch me do the rest. I don't mean to be y'all. Okay, so I wore a bun to work today, but we gonna get into the braids. I'm literally almost finished, and I'm so feeling myself. Like, yes. So now I'm going to add the hair to these braids. But I felt like if I would have like added weave, they would have been too thick because my hair is already thick, you know. So for the cornrows, I just did my real hair. And I'm gonna add the hair and show y'all the finished result. And we're done. So now I'm going to lay my edges. I am flexi riding the ends. I'm also taking out the curly hair. I'm gonna put gel mousse and got to be on the curly hair. Once I finish all this, I'm gonna show y'all the end results.
And I